issue and what I have faced and how I have solved that issue. So I was facing issue for running the application for ngserve, and not only that, I was not able to create application for the routing. Okay, so what I have done that I have removed the .config folder and then to enable proxy. The main problem was it was a network issue, not able to download from the registry.npmjs.org. So what I have done, I have executed the following command: npm config rm https-proxy npm config set registry. Okay, so this is the solution. These two are the solution. Now after that, I was able to successfully create the routing application ng new router-rabi-app and select y uh, for routing and select css and what is the routing map. So if I have that simple home, here I have written payroll, actually it's a home. It will be routed, and if it is a learning, we'll get to learning component, payroll to payroll component, hrhelp to hrhelp component, profile to profile component. So what's the reason for routing? Otherwise, what happened that inside the parent component you have to write the child component. Okay, so you have hundred of child component. It's not possible to write that entire hundred of child component inside the parent component, right? So what's the parent component? Parent component is the app component dot html. So when you change that URL, then it will change accordingly. Okay, so this is a kind of map. So first let me create 6 component: payroll, hr, help desk, profile, learning, home, tech. Okay, and you don't have to write hundreds of child components separately, and inside parent component, that is app parent component.html, everything will be take care, and routing is taking care for that. Now the question is, after creating the routing application, so what I have done, I have created this 6 component, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here you see that app module.ts, there is a app routing module app routing module included. This is I have not written, it's automatically. Okay, and app routing uh, module.ts. Okay, this one, this is app module, another one is the app routing, it's the name of that application, .module.ts, both are different. Okay, and here router module has been included. This is auto generated code. Okay, and package.json, you see that angular slash router is there, and here I have included the following step, right? What I have say, if it is a simple just localhost 4200, it will going to home, and here I have written that path match full. If I write home, it's going to home component profile. So if you don't write anything, it will by default going to home. Okay, so this is the home, and if you write profile, and then it's a profile component, hr help desk, learning component, payroll, and the learning, and with the technology, it's a technology component. Okay, and so this way, so see, you see that home works, and the profile components, and the hr works. Now let me show it from the code itself, how it is. So this is that routing applications I have written, and this is the 6 component, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here is the app module.ts. Here you see that app routing module, and here since I have created 6 component, it's 6 component automatically included. Okay, so I have not included here, it's automatically included. And app component.html, it's I have not changed anything, it's a just since if you see that app component.ts, here app root selector, right? And here you see app component.ts is that app root, and I have not used here app root, it's a router outlet. Okay, so this is different. Otherwise, if I write app root, so it will be the always home component. And which one I have used here? I have used here router outlet. Okay, and here what I did it, app routing module.ts I have included this in the routers. Here you see that const routers and router module, and the routers routes here is that I have made that map. Okay, and now see that here I have just write 4200. Okay, so by default it's going to home. Okay, and if you go to the uh, profile, you will profile is a coming. Okay, and so accordingly everything will be changed. Okay, so this way it's going to handle it. So whatever you are writing, it is going to reflect it here. Okay, IC profile, it takes some time. HR, you will see HR. Let me write HR. It took some time. Okay, come learning payroll. Okay, next learning, it will coming learning and payroll. Let's see, it's payroll coming. And in learning, how we can so slash learning slash technology. Okay, learning slash java. Okay, so you will see that tick works. So anything after learning you can just write anything. It will, since it starts with the learning and learning with anything, it's a tech technology. Okay, just learning it with the learning. Okay, this way we can achieve that router. Okay, thank you very much.